Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to Math for Kids, number 22. Okay, you ready for problem number 1?
Yeah.
A rectangle has a perimeter of 30 inches. And each side has a length that is a positive integer. Positive integer in inches, I mean.
Yeah.
How many different rectangles fit this description? So what do you think you're going to do on a problem like this?
Let's draw the rectangle.
Okay, draw a rectangle. Okay. And what does it mean for something to be a rectangle, by the way?
Rectangle is a special kind of square.
A square is a special kind of rectangle.
Oh, right.
So what does it mean for something to be a rectangle?
Well, its height
Yeah?
is shorter than its length.
Okay. What else do you know? That's not necessarily true because remember a square is a rectangle. So if everything was 3, 3, 3, 3, that would still be a rectangle.
Yeah.
But that's okay. Alright, so, and what else do you know about rectangles? We actually haven't talked too much about rectangles, but you know what else rectangles have?
Not really.
Okay. They have right angles. All 4 angles are right angles.
Yep.
Do you know what that means?
This is 90 degrees.
90 degrees. Okay, so they're corners. It's called perpendicular, actually. And this side, the opposite sides are equal. So we could call them x and x and y and y. Okay?
Yep.
And what's the perimeter? What does the perimeter mean?
It means to go all the way around it.
Okay, so what's the perimeter of the rectangle that we wrote down here?
30.
Okay, 30. And what else is it?
30 inches.
It's 30 inches, so 30 equals,
Each side is a positive integer.
yeah. So we wrote down some things to call the sides. X and y. So what's
2x plus 2y.
Right, 2x plus 2y.
Well, x plus y could equal 15.
Okay, that's very good. So that means x plus y equals 15. We know x and y are positive integers, so we want to figure out how many different kinds of solutions are there to this equation. We know something else, by the way, don't we? The way you've drawn it, the way you said, we know that y is less than or equal to x.
So that means less than or equal?
Yeah, less than or equal to. Oh, that's a new symbol. You've never seen that one before, have you? Okay. Alright, so how many solutions are there to x plus y equals 15 if y is less than or equal to x and y are positive integers? What could be one solution?
Well, if x equals 10 and y equals 15.
What does x plus y...
I mean 5.
Okay. Alright, that's one solution. Okay.
X 15 equals x plus y.
Okay, x plus y equals 15.
Well,
very good. I'm trying to get a little more light down there. Okay, is that the first solution you thought of?
Yeah.
What could be another solution? Let's try to do it a little systematically. But that's a good solution. We're trying to find other ones too. What else would work?
Well, if x equals 15 and y equals 0.
Okay, does that work? Are x and y both positive integers then?
No.
No.
So the one we should start with is x equals 14.
Very good. So why don't we make a chart here?
Let's not erase the rectangle.
So let's make a chart for x and y, and then x plus y. Okay. Okay, so if x equals 14, what does y equal?
That means y equals 1.
1, x plus y is 15, just like we wanted. Okay.
So then x equals 13.
13.
So then y has to equal 2.
Y equals 2, and x plus y equals 15. Great.
So x equals 12, y equals 3.
X equals 12, y equals 3, x plus y is 15.
So x equals 11 and y equals 4.
Okay.
X equals 10, y equals 5. That means that x equals 9, y equals 6.
X plus y is 15. Good.
8 and 7.
8 and 7.
Stop there.
Why do we stop there?
Because the next one if we went down to 7, then that would be 8. But we said that x is not the same or equal to y.
Well, we said y is less than or equal to x, which means x is bigger than or equal to y.
Yeah.
Okay, and 8 is bigger than 7, but if we went to the next one, we would have x is less than y, which doesn't work. So very good. So how many different solutions are there?
2, 4, 6, 7.
There's 7 solutions. Good job. Good job. Okay, you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the second problem. We went 100 miles at 50 miles an hour on a trip. Okay. On the way back, we went only 25 miles an hour. So how long did the trip take? So we went 100 miles this way, going 50 miles an hour, and then on the way back we went 25 miles an hour, and that was the total trip. So how long did the trip take?
Well, 50 miles an hour, that would take 2 hours.
Okay, so the way out took 2 hours.
And then the way back would be 25 miles an hour. Would be 4 hours.
Okay, how did you figure that out? Step out of the way.
Because 25, 4 25s is 100.
Okay, so every hour you go 25 miles, right?
Yeah.
And so it takes 4 hours to go 100 miles. But on the way out, you're going 50 miles per hour. So how many miles do you go in 1 hour?
That means you go 50 miles in 1 hour.
Right. So that took 2 hours to go out. So 2 hours to go out, 4 hours to go back. How long did the trip take? That's a long trip.
6 hours.
Ouch.
Ouch, that's a quarter of the day.
Yeah, a long trip. I wonder what we did at the end of that trip. Maybe we went through a corn maze.
Maybe.
All right, good job. All right, the homework problems are, you ready for this?
Yeah.
Olympiad number 9, problems number 3, and problem number 4. Okay? Good job today, sweetie. Olympiad 9, problem number 3, problem number 4.